Did you know that liquid laundry detergents are up to 80% water? Why spend so much money on water? Not to mention, they cause maison waste, driving us crazy. You might think using laundry powder would solve this annoyance, but the truth is, powdered detergents contain harmful chemicals that can be dangerous if accidentally inhaled during use. That's why I did some research and found a better alternative. Clearalif laundry detergent sheets. These powerful, plant-based laundry strips inspire my trust because of their strong cleaning ability. Plus, they dissolve quickly in both cold and hot water, with pre-measured doses for easy, mess-free laundry every time. One box contains 80 strips, enough for up to 160 loads, freeing up space in your laundry room. Once you try these laundry strips, you'll never want to go back to traditional laundry powder. Click the link below to experience the future of laundry technology.